Hit them with some kosher salt. Picky eaters and people who don't want to eat their vegetables, aka the children, I bet you they'll eat these fried green beans. To the ingredients: a pound of green beans, trim their ends. A large pot of water over medium-high heat, and you're going to bring it to a rapid boil. Now add your green beans, and you're going to boil them for 2 minutes until they're bright green. Set timer. Don't mess it up. After 2 minutes, remove your green beans and immediately plunge them into an ice bath, a bowl full of water and ice. Then you're going to drain them and pat them dry with paper towels. Just like that. 2 cups of vegetable oil over medium heat. Heat it up to 350 degrees. It's crucial. Set up your dredging station. 1 egg beaten up, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. Green bean to the flour. Shake it. Green bean to the egg. Roll it around, get it coated nicely. And then green bean to the panko. Pack that on there. Add your green beans to your hot oil in batches, and you're going to fry 3 to 5 minutes or until they are deep golden brown. When they're done, you're going to place them on paper towels to drain, hit them with some kosher salt. Get to frying. Just like that. Holy, y'all better go make these. They're so good. Maybe the kids won't get any.